Hey, what you got there?
Let's see what Amazon brought us today. There's the instructions.
Oh, it's a little chainsaw.
A lithium-ion chainsaw.
Okay, we'll assemble the little chainsaw.
Right.
And we'll see. We will test it if this will work. Cause, what's that? Battery. 1221 volts.
Yeah. So, goggles, chain. Right, now.
Because if this doesn't work, you need to fix this steel. This one, powerful with the gasoline. Powered by gasoline, not battery.
Right. Now, that looks like it would go in there.
Okay.
There must be some screws somewhere.
Okay.
Right, so
Let's get all the screw out.
there. Are there some screws?
This is chain.
Just our luck where there'd be no. Oh, here you go. Where's the screws? Oh, there's, you found some.
No. Why I cannot cut this? Sorry for the camera.
No.
That's the
There's
blade.
there's some screws missing.
Wait there. Let's see. It's here. So this is the chain.
Yeah. Whoops.
Oops.
How many?
Chains. Two
Oh,
chain.
just get one out. Don't get them all out.
No, maybe the screws is inside.
Okay.
So that's the 12 inches blade.
Yeah.
So you put it anyway.
No. There's a cutting edge, and it's got to be that way.
Okay.
Why is it stiff? Oh, what's happened here? Okay. Got a joiner. Okay.
So consider subscribing. So it will cut the tree that we're gonna cut. If you will not subscribe, we'll be screwed.
Thumbs up. I don't know what that does.
It's like adjusting the
Okay.
chainsaw. I don't know. I'm guessing because you don't read the manual. We keep on guessing.
No, I'm a chainsaw man from way back. I know these things.
This is battery operated one.
I didn't know that. Oh God. All right, so
Somehow you need to remove the whole lot.
let's Jesus Christ. Ooh! I think that was spring loaded, wasn't it? Oh, I hope this. Oh, there was a spring too. Don't lose the spring. So, what's. Jesus Christ. Oh, right. So, okay. Shit, now we're in the shit. I don't know where I'm up to. Okay, that goes there. Righto. So that goes like that. And there's the they're you can tell they're poorly built, cheaply built. There's no precision here. That's just crap. Anyway,
As long it will do the job, it'll
No.
be good.
yeah, it only costs, I don't know what they cost, $99.
Oh my
for
God.
fuck's sake. So I think that I don't know how that works.
Wrong side.
Is it?
You need to
Oh shit, yeah, you're right, of course. I knew that. I'm just testing you. Because why the look. Oh, for bloody Jesus Christ. Well, the thing is, I shouldn't have taken that off, should I? Where's all this crap?
I think you need to put the spring first.
Well, it goes in there. Oh. Spring goes in there. And this thing, bloody hell, I can't see a thing, eh? There, that's how that goes. Yeah, gotta watch this doesn't shoot out. Oh God, which one? Where'd it go? How do we know where it goes?
Yeah,
Shouldn't have pulled that out of there.
we screwed it up. Okay, so let's just tighten that one and we'll continue assembling it here.
No, I see it can just keep going anyway. So, alright, so. Oh, Jesus Christ. Now, is there a groove down there somewhere? Oh, you bastard. Why is it, oh, you prick. It's cheap shit. Oh, bloody hell.
You want this now or later?
Wait a minute, I'm just trying to figure out. Alright, give me those nuts. I'll just see on the other chainsaw. You adjust it with these nuts, and they're on the slide, and then you have a adjusting bolt. Now this here, no, I blew it.
You blew it? Okay, so I think we need to pause it for now.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, this is shit. Yeah, and it's real shit. Now what I got to do? See, that thing goes right down in there. Goes right down in there. God almighty. Bloody hell. Smart ass. Bloody. Well, I won't tighten it right up. Yeah. I'd say there's bloody
The branch.
the branch
Yeah.
I was looking at before. Okay. Now what's that? Oh, that'll be the bloody oil.
The primer.
Primer.
You want this?
Yeah. But we're missing some screws.
Yeah. Oops.
God. What? Okay. Yeah. I just don't know. Oh, look, that's not even properly down there. Now, this thing here, where's the bloody
Screw.
screws?
Okay, let's look for the screw. Found it.
Oh, God.
Okay, so let's see if the
God! You were going to turn that off last night.
sorry.
Oh, Jesus. Right, now.
So you need to put some oil.
Yeah.
Any oil will do.
Well, I'll tell you, it's got to be some exotic chain oil.
Oh, okay.
But
But
I'm going to put.
you're gonna put normal oil.
No, I'm just going to put. Now that look, there's a bit left in there.
So this is universal tractor transmission fluid, and it's 10W20.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's compare battery.
All right. Now, what I need.
Be careful with your legs, it might trigger right away.
You
So
think
you don't need to put oil?
Yeah, but I'm not cutting trees yet.
Oh, okay.
What have I got here?
It works.
All right.
It's very weak.
Huh?
Sounds weak.
Does, doesn't it?
Okay. We'll put some oil, and then we'll let
Yeah.
you see there. We'll cut some branches, a little branch, not big ones.
Okay, let's,
And for now, consider subscribing, and we'll measure the oil. Okay. That's just for funnel, because you don't have a funnel
That's because I'm hopeless at pouring steadily.
steadily.
Where's that?
Yeah, yeah.
What do I want that one for?
Okay.
Oh!
Oh, you fill it right up.
Well, I didn't think it took that much. I put bugger all in there.
Yeah. I think you only need 10 ml.
Well, I looked in these. I couldn't even find the instructions. But in this one here, takes a.
Because this one is 2, 4, 6. What's that? How many thing here? 5?
Oh, it's probably 200.
200?
I don't know. Well, there'd be 200.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So, okay, now let's check if this will cut. Yeah, sounds very...
Not very impressive.
No.
However,
Let's check it out. Give us a like, thumbs up,
so
and subscribe. Ding ding. Okay.
okay.
Okay. So now we're in the bush.
Let's see what happens.
Oh,
Okay.
it's look very weak, but it cuts something.
Yeah. I'll just
Oh no.
follow.
Okay. I mean that one, the big one there.
Yeah. I don't want to top everything off, but
Okay, so now we prove that it's working. Ding ding for now.
okay.
Consider subscribing.
Yeah.